Good afternoon, everyone, my dear cheaters. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, can you all hear me? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? வணக்கம். Yes. Okay. JEE, okayடா. வணக்கம். கேக்கலையா? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா guys? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? Please சீக்கிரம் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்கடா. If you all can hear my voice, please confirm it. We will start a beautiful chapter today. சீக்கிரம் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். Make it fast. Can you all hear me, Vaathi? Yes. Hope you all are doing great. So how's your preparation going on? How's your holidays are going on? Okay, sir. May month mudinchi sir. Edume pannala sir. So this is what I am hearing from many students. Okay. So let's see how many of you gonna answer these trigonometric questions today. So we are gonna go with a beautiful concepts today. Trigonometric ratios and identities. Okay, wow. So guys, trigonometry vandu na vandu minimum 3 parts la panna porida. Part 1, part 2, part 3 ellame very important. Okay va. Part 1 na ratios and identities paru, trigonometric ratios and identities. Part 2 vandu again ratios and identities half, and then trigonometric equations important da. So சில பேர் எப்படி சொல்றாங்கன்னா trigonometric equations படிக்க கூடாது சார், क्वेश्चंस வராது சார், trigonometric equations வந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் தி சிலபஸ் சார் அப்படி சொல்றாங்கடா. So equations out of the syllabus கிடையாதுடா. So கண்டிப்பா they have been giving the questions from equations. Okay va. So trigonometric equations ரொம்ப important. கண்டிப்பா we have to study trigonometric equations as well. Okay va. Yes Nimalan, you can watch da. You can watch. கண்டிப்பா this is gonna be useful for you as well. Okay, 11th and 12th students both can watch. Okay, and one more thing enna guys, trigonometric equations really important. Adukku graphs, basics, trigonometric ratios and identities theriyanu illana adu mudiyadu. Okay, so yes, so before getting into the show I have a small request for you all. Okay, so for this 90%, so please register with the link given in the description da. So book a visit to the nearby VLC center and get this benefit. Okay, so this is a beautiful opportunity for you all. So register for this and go for it. Okay, so that's it for this guy. And then now I have one more request with my cheaters. Okay, I want every one of you to subscribe the channel. So that is very important da. So subscribe பண்ணாத உங்களுக்கு updates வரும், உங்களுக்கு notifications வரும், then you can just attend the classes regularly without missing it. Okay wow. Now let's get into the show. So look at the board everyone. The first I'm going to discuss trigonometric ratios and identities. All 10th standard students might have studied this in their school life. I mean school life means in your 10th standard you might have studied basics of trigonometry, right? Yes Mani Bharati, very good. Okay, yes sir. So guys, this is very important. Trigonometry chapter வந்து calculusல வரும், எங்க பார்த்தாலும் trigonometry தான் வரும்டா கண்டிப்பா. Quadratic equation every question, everywhere you can include trigonometry. Matrices trigonometry sometimes in between the questions வரும். Okay வா. So trigonometry is super important. Trigonometry இல்லனா calculusல நிறைய results definitely எப்படினா மேனிபுலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவா. மேனிபுலேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் மேனிபுலேட் பண்ணனும்னா கண்டிப்பா trigonometry formulas ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சரியா? So trigonometry formulas, trigonometry concepts. Okay? Yes Lokesh. கவர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Full chapter we can cover in 3 lectures. இப்போ என்ன சார் நீங்க டீச் பண்ண போறீங்க இந்த லெக்சர்லனா, first let me introduce what is trigonometry, then angle என்ன, okay, then allied angle என்ன, and then negative angle என்ன. So graphs of trigonometry functions we'll study in trigonometric equations. We'll study in trigonometric equations. We'll study in trigo equations. Okay, wow. So next, compound angle formula, double and triple angle formulas, factorization, defactorization formulas, the important formulas for IIT JEE. Okay, wow. In the important formulas for IIT JEE, NCERT le kadiyadra, NCERT la the miss ayina concept and I will be just discussing over here. NCERT la kadiyadu the important formulas. Okay, wow. And the range of trigonometric functions, also trigonometric equations. We will study in trigonometric equations. We will study this in trigo equations. Okay, range I will teach you in trigonometric equations. Graph also I will teach in trigonometric equations. Sir, yeah. Hi Nilavati. Hi Nilavati. Great. That's great, huh? So, sir, the first introduction, 10th standard introduction, sir. Basically, see, introduction. So, what did you study in 10th standard? 10th standard already purchasing it. ஒரு ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்கும் சார், அது ஒரு ஹைப்போடெனியஸ், ஒரு பேஸ், எல்லாமே இருக்கும் சார் கண்டிப்பா. ஓகேவா, இது ஒரு ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் சார், இது 90 டிகிரிஸ். இது என்ன சார், we call this as hypotenuse. This is basically the hypotenuse. Okay, you can call this as the base, you can call this as height or opposite, you can call it as opposite. ஓகேவா, so opposite இது theta. ஓகேவா, இது opposite, இது base and height, I mean hypotenuse. Longest side in a right angle triangle la hypotenuse namalku ellarkum theriyundadi. So first point enna pathina, we will talk about basically 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay va, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Okay va, these are the main 6 trigonometric functions we will be talking about in this chapter. So sin theta enna basically opposite by hypotenuse. Correct idi? I want everyone happy to respond. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sir, இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது என்ன சார், ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்னடா, ஓ சிண்டு அரே ரே technology is troubling. Okay, with base by hypotenuse. Okay, let me write like this: opposite by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. ಇದನ್ನ opposite by base, opposite by base, opposite by base. ಇದನ್ನ base by opposite. correcta yes Arsham. no Sham, this is recording da, recording kadiyadhu, live, sorry, இது வந்து live டா, recording la kadiyadhu சிண்டு, ஏடா இப்படி பண்றீங்கடா ரே. Okay, right? Secant enna, hypotenuse by base. Cosecant enna, hypotenuse by opposite. You can call this as height also, base also, hypotenuse also. Yes or no? You can call opposite as height also. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Quick. You can respond pannada. You all have to respond. Okay. Yes, very good. So நீங்க already படிச்சிருப்பீங்க, yes or no? Great. So இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, everybody look at the board. Sir, and also we have studied, what did we study? Basically sin theta can be written as 1 by cosec theta. Okay, well, you might have studied this. Cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta. Tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. நீங்க already படிச்சிருப்பீங்க இது. Okay, wow. Basically 10th standard, whatever you studied in 10th standard, I'm just discussing that. Okay, wow. So yes Arsham, oh better Arsham, thank you. Okay, wow. So and also what we studied identities, basic identities. What did we study? Identities. What are the identities you studied in 10th standard? Tell me. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Everything we will discuss neatly, detailedly, don't worry, everything you need to learn it clearly, da. So no hurry, no worry, no mistakes, nothing. Everything should go smoothly. Okay, wow. Next one is a 1 plus tan square theta, or you can write secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Next, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Is that clear, da? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Yes, sir. So this is what you have studied in 10th standard. Correct or not, da? Very good. So these three formulas are very, very important. So this is what a basic story. Now, this is what exactly you might have studied. This is what based on this only you might have seen the questions. Ipo na enna panna porena, look at the board everyone. Now see, now on the 11th standard enna veno enna thevayo adha discuss panna pore. Okay va. JEE kagave 11th standard la enna padikenu enna padike kudadu. That is what we will discuss. Okay va. So next pathina pari. Now I am going to discuss something very, very important. Look at the board. Everyone should take a note. Note. This is very, very important. Based on this note, they have asked many, many questions. Based on this note, they have asked many, many questions. I am late to the class, sir. Yes, why you are late, Ra? Yes, why you are late, Ra, Chintu? Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Look at the board. First one. Sir, sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta 9, sir. Second one, sin to the power of 6 theta plus cos to the power of 6 theta 9. Similarly, you can write sin to the power of 8 theta plus cos to the power of 8 theta. Okay, wow. So if you have this identity, whenever you have this one, you always can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Correct idea? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Everybody. Yes or no? If 6 power 6 in the 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Sir, எப்படி prove பண்றது? Can you write sin square theta plus cos square theta? Arey Chintu, how do you prove this? The first one, proof. I'll teach one proof, remaining thing you need to do. Okay, proof pari. Proof venna pari. First proof, first one. We know that sin square Chintu plus cos square Chintu is equal to 1. Yes or no? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides panna enna varum? Sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta plus 2 times of sin AB. In fact, this is equal to 1. So, pari, sin to the power of theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Yes or no? This is what we are gonna write as identity. Hello, understood or not, Ra? Chintu Babu, purida ilya Chintu Babu, अरे Chintu Babu, என்ன சார் இப்படி பண்றீங்க? Chintu Babu என்ன சார்? Chintu Babuனா Chintu Babu தான். புரியுதாரா Chintu? Yes, very easy sir, very easy. இதுக்கு மேல p/q பாத்துக்கலாமா? இதுக்கு மேல இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டிஸ் மேல இப்ப சுரேஷ் சார் இந்த ரெண்டு ஐடென்டிட்டிஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டிக்கு மேல என்ன p/q கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாரு. What are the p/q they have asked? Okay, so recent yearly வந்துருச்சு, 2021 2022 வந்துருச்சுடா. ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகேவா? இப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா எப்படி பண்ணனும்? That's this is a proof for this. So இது வேணும்னா aq plus bq பண்ணிக்கலாம். We know aq plus bq ஃபார்முலானா a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. அந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணி இதையும் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். But proof is not required. For the time being, let us go with formulas and let me tell you அது எப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஒரு proof இருந்தா அது எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ண, let me give an idea. What என்ன தேவையோ அதுதான் டீச் பண்ண போறடா. தேவையில்லாம பைத்தியம் மாதிரி எல்லாமே படிக்க கூடாது. டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆயிடும். ஓகேவா? So you should know what is what and then move on. ஓகேவா? So just a minute. Yes. Okay. Yes, I'm back. Easy formula. Okay, wow. Next question. Sorry. ஒரு question பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வரும் சார். Question. Everybody do this question. Let everyone hello. Let f of x with the base k is equal to 1 by k sin to the power of kx plus cos to the power of kx. K belongs to what? 1, 2, 3 here. K belongs to what? 1, 2, 3. Then for all x belongs to R, the value of f4x, guys, actually this f4x வந்து கீழ வரும்டா. Okay, கொஞ்சம் டைப்பிங் மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குங்க. f4x, f6x. So this is what the question is all about. Okay, so 2019 la vandiruchu, 2024 la vandu, sorry 14 la vandiruchu. Limits and derivatives also I teach, don't worry da, pari please. Okay, how do we do this question? Are chintu f of x is equal to this da, so f of f4 of x can be written as what? k place la 4 போடணும். 4 போட்டா என்ன வரும்? sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x. Super, very good sir. So 1 by 4 as it is, sin to the power of 4 plus cos to the power of 4 means Suresh sir என்ன சொன்னாரு? 2 sin square x cos square x. Super, வா. Now f of f6 of x என்ன? 1 by 6 sin to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x. வா. 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Super sir. Okay va. So sum of these two கேட்டிருக்காங்கடா. Sum of these two இது கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay va. பாரு, நல்லா பாரு. Yes or no? Sorry, difference of this minus இது பண்ணணும். Okay va. Tell me now, f4 of x minus f6 of x is equal to what? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 sin square x. Can you all see this? Can you all understand what we are doing here? Minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 sin square x cos square x. இது 𝑉𝐴𝒃. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Yes or no? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. பாரு, 1 by 4 இங்க இருக்கு, இங்க வந்து 1 by 6 இருக்கு. So LCM எடுக்கணும். LCM என்ன சார்? 12. 3 1 by 12. 1 by 12 na? 1 by 12 means D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. You can see that D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. See this. Answer on the D. Correct? Any doubts ra Chintu? Puridara Chintu? Wow. Super. Easy. Yes sir. Easy irukku sir. But konjam challenging irukku. Starting la idu pannana konjam challenging irukkuda. But kandipa easier score pannikala. Okay va. So will you be able to do if I give a homework now? I'll give homework. நீங்க பண்ணுவீங்களா? Tell me guys. Congratulations da. Okay va? Now next. இங்க பாரு. Sin x plus sin square x is equal 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. Sin x plus sin square x is equal 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. Sin x is, see, and x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then cos to the power of 12x plus tan to the power of 12x plus 3 into cos to the power of 10x plus tan to the power of x plus cos to the power of 8x plus tan to the power of 8x plus cos 6x plus tan 8x is equal to dash. Okay va? Actually question, okay, you need to do in the same fashion da. Same fashion la pananum. Okay va? You try this question. This is a super question da. Neenga try panangi, this homework to you all. Okay va? You need to try this. Okay, hint kudukanuma. Shall I give a hint? Okay va? I'll give a hint. Hint venina pari. I'll give a hint. Okay, hint venina pari. Enna hint? Sin x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So sin x is equal to cos square x. Sin x is equal to what? Cos square x. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Then cos to the power of 12x plus tan to the power of 12x. Okay va? Sir, இப்போ கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have something cos to the power of 2x. Yes or no? Are you getting the point? You have solved already sir. Answer is 2. Very good. So இது பண்ணனும்டா CGS. You need to take care of this. Very simply you can solve this. Try this da. Try this. Same fashion you need to do. இதையும் homework தான். Same way இது பண்ணனும். Same manner இதையும் அப்படிதான் solve பண்ணனும். Okay வா? Are you getting the point or not? Chintu. Are Chintu. Yes or no? இது எப்படி பண்ணனும் சார்? சார் எப்படி பண்ணணும் சார்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நீ என்ன பண்ணணும் தெரியுமா? இது ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணணும். ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணா வெரி ஈஸி சார். இது ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? இது ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 10 sin to the power of 4 theta plus 10 cos to the power of 4 theta plus 5 cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to 6. Okay ba? Sir, idhar 10 common edukalama. Paru. Sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta plus 5 cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to 6. Now sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta. Suresh sir enna sonnaru? Enna sonnaru? Children into. You can do this I think now. Neenga padinga. Yes sir, will you be able to do this? Sir, we can write this as basically, if you want, look at it, you can write like this: 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 5 cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to 6. Yes or no? 100%. 100%. Now, will you be able to solve it? Guys, நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? Simple logic. இப்போ எனக்கு secant, cosecant வேணும், secant வேணும், secant வேணும். Yes or no? So make everything in terms. I'll give it same manner. நீ இப்போ make இதுக்கு solution வேணும். Already we did the JEE வாத்தில தான் நான் already teach பண்ணியாச்சுடா இந்த question. Same type of question. ஓகேவா? Same question. Type கிடையாது, same question. எப்படின்னா இது 2024 question இருக்கு. Here is something wrong இருக்கு. 2025 24 இருக்கு. Okay. So என்னன்னா same question I already did in the YouTube JEE Vaathi. உங்களுக்கு doubt இருந்தா அங்க போய் you can watch. Now we'll try to solve different question which we have not discussed so far. Definitely I will continue to about whatever nimisham. I can't see the chart. Yes. Okay, accelerate vlogs. Sir, you are covering all the chapters in a faster and good way. Continue for straight lines, conic sections, parabola, ellipse. Also people, also please sir. Okay Raj Chintu, okay. I will cover it. Don't worry. Convert everything in terms of cost. Tell me. Okay, sir. If you want, let me solve this. Sanjay is saying option A. Va. Super Raj into 10 minus 20 into, can I write it as sin square, can I write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta as it is plus 5 cos to the power of 4 theta as it is equal to 6. Simplify this. 10 minus 20 plus 20 cos square cos to the power of 4 theta plus 5 cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to 6. Nulla part 20. So 20 plus 20 right here. 20 cos to the power of, okay. So minus 10 plus 25 cos to the power of, I think I made some mistake. Wait. Here square the one. Yes. Correct Pari? 1 minus cos square theta, right? 1 minus cos square theta, right? So 1 minus 20 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta plus this. So you can take cos square x is equal to t, or you can do like that. Okay, wow. Okay, so make everything in terms of, see, you can take cos square x is equal to 1 minus, see, put cos square theta is equal to t. Yes, very good. Those who are getting option A, very good. So 10 minus 20, so cos square, so 1 minus t into t plus 5t square is equal to 6. So you need to solve for t, that's it. T vandrichina enna varum? T means cos square theta will come. Cos square theta vandrichina secant square theta will come. So 1 by cos square theta will get this. Cos square theta vandrichina sin square theta automatically varum. Sin square theta vandrichina cosec to the power of 6 will come. Secant to the power of 6 will go. So 20 cos 2 theta va. 20 cos 2 theta. Where 20 cos 2 theta da purila. Guys, understood or not? 20 cos 2 theta is equal to what you got? Cos square theta is equal to 2 by 5 வந்துருச்சா? Okay. So people are getting this as 2 by 5. இது 2 by 5 வந்துருச்சுனா so sin square theta என்ன வரும்? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta என்ன? 1 minus cos square theta. Guys, cos 2 theta 2 by 5 you are saying. Yes, very good. Sir, now 1 minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So 3 by 5 is what basically? 3 by 5 is what basically sin square theta. So now tell me here. Cosec to the power of 6 theta. Sin square. So 1 by sin to the power of 6 theta. Which means what? 1 by sin square theta whole cube. So 1 by 3 by 5 whole cube. So how much? 125 by 27. Okay, wow. Next, secant to the power of 8 theta na. Secant to the power of 8 theta na. Secant to the power of 8 theta is basically 1 by cos square theta to the power of 4. Okay, wow. 1 by, so 16 by 625. Wow. Yes or no? 16 by 125. 5 to the power of 4. 625. So 625 by 16. Purida? Yes or no? Everybody should do this quickly. Respond. Clear? Exactly, sir. Sir, if everything you need to substitute it. That's it. 27 into cosec to the power of 6 theta. Okay, wow. So 27 into let me substitute here. Let me do here itself. So 27. Wait. Oh, 27 into cosec to the power of 6 theta means what? 125 by 27 into 27 plus 8 into secant to the power of 6. Secant to the power of 6 theta. Secant to the power of 6 theta is what basically? So 1 by cos square theta whole cube. So 1 by 8 by 120, 125 by 8. So idenna 125 by 8 whole divided by 16 into secant to the power of 8 theta. Secant to the power of 8 enna? This cancel. Okay. So 125, 250 by 625. So tell me, 255 means 25 10 times 25 times. So 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. 125 5 times 1. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is option A. Check. Option A is the right answer. Option A for Agra is the right answer. Apart nalla, see, slow solve pannu. Slow, no hurry bari. Neata, slow solve panna, you will get answer. Purida, very good. Congratulations. See, 1 by 6 to the power of theta. If you simplify panna, idu vandiruchira. Idina. Everything I am putting here. Okay. You can even do, see, look at the board, everyone. Without calculating this, you can still do it in even easier way. Okay. But anyway. Okay. Yes. This is a homework da. Same like this. This is a homework to you all. Guys. Homework. Okay, wow. So you guys have to solve this. This is a homework. The same type of question. Ipidida pananu. Okay. So try to do that. Everybody do this question. Sir, how to improve problem solving time, sir? Sarvesh. ஒரே ஒரு லாஜிக் ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் டைம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னா நீங்க வந்து நல்லா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும், டெய்லி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணதா வரும். சார் e பவர் ஆஃப் சம்திங், இப்போ கேன் யூ ஆல் see the board clearly? எஸ் சார், ஒரு கொஞ்சம் ஃபோக்கஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணுமா? ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம்டா. I think this is better. Okay, yes, look at the board, everyone. What they have given? E to the power of something. E to the power of something. Satisfy the equation this. Okay, then the value of this. 2 sin x by sin x plus root 3 cos x. Okay, wow. sir இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்டா e power something guys everybody look at the board நான் ஒரு விஷயம் நீட்டா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறேன்டா see e power of log x base a என்ன Sarvech which district you are how to improve problem solving e power of log x base e you can take base e you can take base e isn't always x do we know this or not we know that e power of log x base e is always going to be x இந்த ஃபார்முலா நான் அப்ளை பண்ண போறேன்டா பாரு ஏ சார் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி ஐடியா வந்துச்சுனா பாரு गाइस இந்த ரெட் கலர் பாக்ஸ் பாரு இது பாரு given so let us take cos square x minus cos to the power of 4x cos to the power of 6x and so on infinity as a p okay va idana sum of infinity or not இது plus only எழுதி இது plus only guys இது plus da நடுவுல plus தான் இருக்கு கொஞ்சம் printing I mean typing கொஞ்சம் typing கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு பட் அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு மைனஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு பட் எல்லாமே பிளஸ் தான் இதென்ன infinite gp infinite gp என்ன சார் those who watched my sequence and series lecture டா அவருக்கு நீட்டா புரியும்டா பாரு infinite gp என்ன sum of infinity which is a by 1 minus r sir வா அண்ணா வா a என்ன first term sir cos square x divided by 1 minus x 1 minus r sorry r என்ன common ratio இது by இது so which is cos square x which is cot square x look at the board everyone so this is equal to p basically p would answer and p is this yes or no p is this so cos square x by 1 minus cos square x is what cot square x சரிங்க நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு so e power of cot square x okay e power of cot square x or else we'll do one thing we know this result so now tell me here e power of p log 2 base e can be written as what this can be written as what e power of log base e 2 power of p பாரு இதனா இந்த p வந்து இங்க ஜம்ப் ஆயிரும்டா so 2 power of p எடுமா இது பாரு e power of log x base e மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாமா so from this can I write it சும்மா 2 power of p புரியுதா 2 power of p தான் இது so 2 power of p means what 2 power of cot square x இவரோட first radical டப்பாவோட ஆன்சர் என்ன 2 power of cot square x super sir super yes or no yes sir வந்துருச்சு சார் நல்லா இருக்கு இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாரு I am going to discuss something important கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can do something என்னது this is satisfying this nalla parda super question everybody look at the board this guy satisfying this which means this is the root of this this is satisfying this means this is the root of this idi simplify panni paru hello t minus 8 into t minus 1 so t square minus t minus 8t plus 8 correct only so t is equal to 8 and t is equal to 1 t means what sir t means what oh so we need to take this as t only then we should take this as t only not p we should not take it as p we should take it rather as p we should not take it as p because they have given in terms of t na t they have given so let us take it in terms of t only is not t okay is it t okay so avladha okay so a by 1 minus r so we got this 2 power of cot square x correct or not so t power of 8 so 2 power of na oh wait t okay so idenada sum of is t we got this I got t value as this right we got t as this okay t is this so cot square x is equal to what cot square x is equal to that t means what basically this fully this is t this fully we took it as what t okay that fully we took it as t or you can take it as no problem p correct I think oh then this should be t wait this should be t actually so what did I do this is satisfying this na I think we made some mistake we named it differently I think p only correct it was p was correct only wait yeah so tell me here Now let this be P only. Okay, let this be P only. Now what is T base? This entire thing is theta. Your roots will satisfy this. Now T and this is T. This will be taken as what? T. 100%. This can be written as what? T. Let this be the first radical dabba, whatever we have the, look at about everyone. This total thing, but in the power layer katamena, nalla part of, look at about everyone, this total power. This power, which means this part alone I am taking as P, correct only. This power layer ka E oda power I am taking as P, and the P solve panna idu vandiruchu. Okay va, ipo paru, in the total first color radical dabba paru, idi 2 power of P na idi. This is T here. Why? Because your roots will satisfy this. So T and apo 2 cot square x. What we did over there, it's 100% correct. So 2 cot square x is equal to 2 cube. 8 na 2 cube. So cot square x is equal to 3. So cot x is equal to what? Plus or minus root 3. Because I am talking about 0 to 90. Okay, 90 cot x will be obviously root 3. Okay, wow. And one more thing, so 2 cot square x is equal to 2 power of 0. So cot square x is equal to 0. Okay, wow. So cot x is equal to 0. So cot x can't be 0 in the first quadrant, check. So this should be denied, this should be accepted. So cot x is equal to this. Cot x is equal to this means what? Cos by sine. Are you all getting the point? Yes or no? Cot x is equal to 3, right? Now that's it. We need to simplify. Enna simplify paranu pari. Enna simplify par, this should be accepted. This should be accepted. Now simplify this. Enna idu pari. Everyone look at the board. Enna 2 sin x by, okay, sin x, or else we need to take sin x common. So to make it cos. So sin x will take common. I take sin x common in the denominator. Sir, how do you know that we should take sin x only common? I need to use cot x in the cos result use pandradhukkaga na sin x the common edukanu. Then only you will be getting cot. So sin common edutha, cos by sin. So sin stack. So 2 divided by 1 plus root 3 cot x. Cot x means root 3. So 2 by 1 plus 3, which is 5. 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the right answer. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. C for Chintu wala. Check. Did you all understand this? 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 is the right answer. Super. Guys, this is a really very good question. In the power, in the cos square x plus cos to the power of 4x, I am taking it as P, that is GP. So P value vandiruchira. So P vandiruchu in the formula apply panna enakku T value vandiruchu. Ena ivoda root satisfying this. So T is equal to this. Simplify panna T vandiruchu. Okay, wow. So this is denied here. This is not accepted. Okay, this shouldn't be accepted here. Are you getting the point? This should not be accepted because it is in the first quadrant. First quadrant like this cannot be 0. Okay, tell me, cot x is root 3. This is possible. Okay, wow. Okay, so let us go for radian measurement. Okay, let us go for radian measurement. Sir, what do you mean by radian measurement? What do you mean by radian measurement? What is degree measurement? Guys, do you all know this or not? Okay, guys, the degree, see, angle can be measured in two ways. Basically, angle can be measured in two ways. Angle can measure what are radian measurement and degree measurement. Radian and degree measurement. Okay, wow. Angle means what? We know this, na? This is, look at the board. Angle between two rays. This is what angle. So this can be measured in two ways, radian and degree measurement. Now tell me, this is the initial point. Inga poichina idina terminal. Okay, wow. Look at the body everyone. Idikku theta is what basically angle that can be measured in what two ways, radian measurement, degree measurement. We know that pi radian can be written as 180 degrees. Pi radian can be written as 180 degrees. அப்போ 1 radian என்ன இருக்குடா 1 radian pi power of c na 1 pi power of c na pi radians. Sir you can சும்மா write pi na pi power of c எதுக்கு சார் pi power of c pi both are same da. Okay வா so 1 radian என்ன இருக்கு பாரு 180 degree by pi r. Yes or no? So this is very very important result. Everybody should remember this. Okay வா இது ஒரு result. Sir and we know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. அப்போ 1 degree என்ன இருக்குடா pi radians by 180 degrees. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. So we need to use what now? Tell me. For example, எனக்கு degree to radian convert பண்ணனும்னா we need to apply this formula. Radian to degree convert பண்ணனும்னா radian to degree convert பண்ணா இது degree to radian convert பண்ணனும்னா இந்த formula. ஒரு example பாத்துக்கலாம் பாரு. Convert degree to radian பாரு. First question. Convert degree to radian. Convert degree to radian. Second question. Convert radian to degree. Radian to degree. Okay wow. One example பாரு. Example. Question என்ன? See degree means 60 degrees. 60 degree means Suresh degree to radian means Suresh 60 degrees you need to write as it is. Question number 1. Question number 2. I'll give you these different questions. Look at the board. 45 degrees. Okay wow. You write 360 degrees. Okay வா எப்படி பண்றது சிம்பிள் லாஜிக் ஒரே ஒரு லாஜிக் அப்ளை பாரு 60 degrees கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா ரேடியன்ல டிகிரில கொடுத்திருக்கேன் டிகிரி டு ரேடியன் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும் நான் வந்து ரேடியன்ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ண போறேன்டா சோ pi by 180 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா you will get it check so pi means what basically 63 times so pi by 3 radians sir pi by 3 radians or சும்மா pi by 3 both are correct இதையும் correct தான் okay வா yes or no 45 degrees means what now tell me 45 into pi by 180 degrees. Yes or no? So, this cancel. Then 4 times. So, pi by 4 radians. Archuma write like this. Now tell me 360 degrees into pi by 180 degrees. So, 1 time, 2 times. So, 2 pi will be the answer for this. 2 pi. Are you getting the point? Now tell me here. Simple. Those who are watching 11th standard student, ungalku nalla, nalla theriyanoda. Okay, but those who are in 12th now, don't worry, sir. These are the basics. We already know. Wait, kara. Requires rada chintu. Just a minute. Okay, wow. You will get it. Wait. You will get a bumper question. Bumper ke jumper. Jumper ke bumper. Bumper. You will get it now. In the question is bumper ke bumper. Jumper ke bumper. Bumper jumper. Jumper bumper. Question will come. Wait. Okay. First question. Pari. Sir, radian to degree. Radian to degree means what? For example, 180 degrees wind child. Let's say pi by 6 radians கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா இப்போ radiansல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க டிகிரில கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும் அப்ப என்ன இது pi by 8 னா என்ன ஷால் pi by 8 னா என்ன ஷால் look sir இது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணனும் பாரு so pi by 6 as it is radian to degree convert பண்ணனும் 180 by pi பண்ணனும் 180 degree by pi பண்ணனும் pi cancel ஆயிடும் 6 1 6 3s so 30 degrees okay வா sir idana pi by 8 radians so 180 by pi cancel so 180 by pi means how much now 8 to 16 8 to hope you are getting the point yes Hemant I am fine only Hemant okay wow next polama shall we go forward we can in fact write this as what we can in fact write this as you can write this as degree measurement okay you can write this as what radian degree and radian measurement. Okay, wow, degree and radian measurement. நல்லா இருக்கு சார். இப்போ for example, இப்போ always note, everybody write note that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Do you all know this? This class for 12th, yes, both for 11th and 12th are into 1 degree is equal to 60 seconds and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no? So 1.5 degree means what do we know? Similar, you need to have this in mind. You need to have this in mind. You need to have this. This is very, very important. This 60 bar means what are 60 minutes. 60 double bar means what? 60 seconds. 60 bar means what? 60 to the power of dash means 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, wow. Example, you can do anything like this. Sir, 2.5 degree. 2.5 degree. So you need to convert it to minutes. Eppadi convert pandrathu? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I mean 2 plus half degree. 2 degree plus half degree. How do you convert this? Please do this. Both are same. Enna both are same da. Enna both are same. Tell me, how do you do this? Tell me. Sir, can I write this as 2 degree plus 30 minutes? Can you say this 2.5 degree means? The 1 degree means 60 minutes. 2.5 degree means how much? Are you getting the point or not? Like that. 2 degree. Can you all see the board? Look at the board clearly, neatly. 1 degree 30 minutes. Oh, so 2 degree 30 minutes. Hope you are getting 30 minutes means you should write like this. You should write like this. Every 30 dash. Okay. 30 dash. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Eppadi sir? Alright, 2.5 degree. 2 degrees plus 0.5. So let us write like this. If you don't understand this, look at the board. Very simple chart. 2 plus 0.5 degree. 0.5 degree can be written as what? 2 degree. 2 degree plus 1 by 2 times of degree. So 2 degree. 1 degree ki 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Okay, wow. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. 60 minutes. Now tell me here. If I have to write in half degree how much now? 30 minutes or not? Tell me. 30 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, wow. Now 2 degree means what? 2.5 degree means what? 2.5 can be written as 2.0.5. 2 degree as it is 0.5 1 by 2. 2 degree 0.5 means what? 1 by 2 means 30. 1 degree 30, 60 minutes da. Half degree how much? 30 minutes. Like that. Hope you got the point. So this is how we do this. We need to do further. Okay. Next sir, next concept area of the sector. Super important adi. Area of the sector na sir. Area of the sector na. Guys, for example, I am talking about this. For example, I am talking about circle. Look at it. Jumper laga jale, jumper laga jare no. Hello. Yes sir. Clear. Very good. Now look at the board. Now I am talking about this part. Okay. In the part, this portion. Look at the board, everyone. How do you find out this? RCB second trophy to RCB polar. Press listen the class da. Idanada. Inga pari. Nallaave pari. First look at the body. The radius of the circle. Idana sir theta. Can you also? Oh, we can't see that sir. Nice. This theta sir. What is this? Everyone look at the board. Everyone. What do you call this? This is what called arc length. Okay, wow. Area of the sector. In the area, in the blue color area, blue color area Sir, you'll teach full. Yes. Lokesh, yes, da. In the blue part of the area, how do you find out this? Area, how do you find out? Tell me. Area. This is theta. Out of how much? Da? Total 360 degrees is equal to, we are talking about circumference of the circle. Sorry, area of the circle. 2 pi r. Pi r square. So tell me here. So 360 means 2 pi r square as it is. Pi cancel. So what I'm going to get? 1 by 2 theta r square. 1 by 2 theta r square. This is the area of the sector. Area of one by 2 r square. 1 by 2 r square. No? Okay. This is area of the sector. Yes, exactly. 1 by 2 theta r square. Sir, இப்போ arc length வேணும் எப்படி பண்ணனும்? Arc length வேணும் எப்படி பண்ணனும்? How do you find arc length? Same problem with arc length வேணும். Arc length, length of arc. Length of the arc. Length of the arc I am denoting with L. What is that? Theta by 360 degrees of circumference of the circle. In the length the total circumference in the length, so we are just multiplying with that. Okay, so tell me here, theta by 2 pi into 2 pi r. So tell me here, so 2 pi cancel. So what is this? L is equal to theta r. This is the arc length. This is the formula for arc length. Okay, length of the arc. Very good, Nikhil. Theta, yes, very good. Puri Dadi, congratulations. Very good. Okay. Any doubts here? Okay, next. Area of the sector is already done. Area of the sector extra slide. Okay. Next. Now, sign convention. What do you mean by sign convention? This is super important. Sign convention, look at the body. First, you need to understand 3 points. The previous point you understood or not? First point. Angles are always measured from initial to terminal side. Initial to what? Terminal side. I'll tell you what is the initial side and terminal side. Okay, wow. If you move in anti-clockwise direction, theta should be positive. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Clockwise rotation, you take clockwise rotation. Clockwise direction. And angle will be taken as negative angle. Okay, next, anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction na enna edukanu positive angle edukanu. Sir, one example solunga sir. Sir, one example pari. Simple. Sir, I have a doubt. Nikhil Chintu listen the class. Very good sir. Sir, ipo correct ah pathinga sir. Idenna sir? Okay. Okay. Understood. Very good. Nimalan, very good. Nimalan, very good. Okay. So let's say the initial da. The initial, and this is terminal. Okay. So angle will be always measured from initial to terminal, which means in the direction. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, for example, you take anyway, no problem. This is initial, this is terminal, let's say this. Okay, this is initial, this is terminal. So you need to measure initial to terminal. Yes, sir, are you getting the point? Cool. Please look at the board. Hello, Eshan. Sir, இப்படி எடுக்க கூடாதா சார்? இப்படி எடுக்க கூடாதா? இப்படி எடுக்கல பாரு. This is initial. This is terminal. Okay. So if you move in this direction, so theta, this is theta. This theta will be positive. Here you are moving in what? Anti-clockwise. Idana clockwise, so theta will be negative. Idana you are moving clockwise, so minus 90 degrees. Are you getting the point? Or is minus 90 degrees or not? Yes, sir. Because clockwise direction. For clockwise. You are moving in clockwise, minus 90. So initial to terminal. Idana clockwise. So minus theta. Idana you are moving from initial to terminal in anti-clockwise. So theta positive. Yes or no? Super, sir. This is important, a basic point only. You just have to remember this. Chalo. Next. One question solve. If an area, if an angle of A, okay, of triangle ABC satisfying this. Simple question, a 10th standard question. Okay, wow. Then the roots of the quadratic equation is simple. Okay. So, so everybody should do this. Cos A is equal to, can I write this as 5 cos A is equal to minus 3. Appo cos A is equal to minus 3 by 5. So cos 1 the negative da. Appo A 1 then na. Cos negative means which quadrant? Second quadrant and third quadrant. Yes or no? First and fourth quadrant are cos positive. Very good. Sir, in quadratic, for the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions provided. Wait, Chintu. Nikhil, wait, Chintu, wait. Listen the class, ra. Okay. Solve this. Sir, JEE 28 paper leaked. You are always talking about leak. Okay, do you think it's like NEET exam or what? NEET exam was leaked like that. It's not like that, Chintu. 9x square plus 27x plus 20 is equal to 0. Sir, how to solve this? 180 means what? 180 means how do you 1512? Yes, 15x plus 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. So 9x common. So 9x less 3x common. So 3x plus 5. 4x common. 4 common. Just 4 common. 3x plus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3. X is equal to what? Minus 4 by 3. So the roots of this will be satisfying this, which will be the cos. So to look at the body, cos was 3 by 5. So let me take one right angle triangle. So cos on the opposite, adjacent, which will base by this. Obviously this will be 4. So tell me what is sine the theta? What is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta also they are talking about. Tan theta is what? 4 by 3. Okay? Yes, sir. But actually, ni enna paranu cos negative da, sin tan negative. Yes or no? Tell me. Tan negative, sin positive. Yes, sir. Cos negative means which quadrant? Second and third quadrant. Let me take about second quadrant. second quadrant. So 0 to 180 நடுவுல இருக்கு. So A angle என்னடா? Your A angle is between what da? 0 to 180 degrees. 0 with pi. So we need to talk about second quadrant because cos 1 negative இருக்கு. Okay va? So cos negative means what da? Sin positive second quadrant, tan negative. So tell me here, here x is equal to minus 5 by 3 minus 4 by 3 I got. So which one should be accepted, which one should be rejected? Tell me. Hello. Idenna minus 5 by 3 means what? Apari. Minus 5 by 3 means what here? X minus 5 by 3 means what? 5 by 3. Opposite by adjacent. So secant idi. It is secant. Sorry, tan idi. Tan on the 4 by 3 is secant. So then now is secant A is tan A. But both are negative. Secant and tan. So option C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Purida. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Secant and tan both will be negative in the second quadrant. Secant and tan both will be negative. So both are negative here. Both are negative means what? Minus 5 by 3 means what? 5 by 3 means what? Secant A. But secant A. This is A actually. Theta kade hai. This is A angle. Okay, wow. So for secant A na. Secant A na adjacent base by hypotenuse, which is 5 by 3 here. And tan na. Tan already I wrote. The theta kadayadu idi A. Okay, so tan sin positive, tan negative, secant U negative irukonu because second quadrant. Okay, yes or no? Yes sir. So option C for Chintu is the right answer. Hope you got this. This is a Chintu chitka question now. Next, after school to college, after all silver teacups, people will say this also. Look at the board. All silver tea cups, all silver teacups, which means what sir? Quadrant system sir, quadrant system. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாருங்க quadrant system எப்படி இருக்கும் சார்? இப்படி இருக்கும் சார். நல்லா பாருங்க சார். Look at the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Who will be positive here? All trigo functions. All trigo functions are positive. Okay, only sin theta and cosec theta will be positive. Matte ellame negative. Only tan theta, cot theta will be positive. You all know this, right? So cos theta, secant theta alone positive. Matte ellame negative. You all know this. Here 0 degrees or 2 pi degrees or 360 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Here 180 degrees. Here 270 degrees. If I have to write in radians, how do I read? This is how we write it. But write in radians pi by 2. I would write in radians. What is this? Idana 3 pi by 2. Purida Ilya. Yes or no? Yes sure. Nalla irukku sir. Are degree to renda 360 means or pi na 180 degrees. 360 means what? 2 times of 180. So 2 times of pi. Same 90 means pi by 2. 180 means pi. 270 means what? 3 times of 90. Or 90 na pi by 2. 3 times of 90 means what? 3 pi by 2. Simple. (2028) Oh god. No. Sorry guys, this is like typing mistake. Okay, wow. Enada idi? Sorry guys. Adu 20 Dey adu No. That is 2000. That is 2018, I think. Not 2028. Yes, V8. You can watch this. Sir, we were talking about this. Tell me, all silver teacups are after school to college. A means all, S means silver, I mean sine and cosec, T means tan and cot, C means cosec secant. Okay, sir, இப்போ நல்லா பாருங்க sir, இங்க பாருங்க, இது 0 degrees 90 degrees, so 90 plus theta na you need to go forward, 90 minus theta na you need to come back, 180 minus is this, 180 plus is this, 270 minus 270 plus, 360 plus 360 minus, this is the one full circle will be formed. Okay, wow, hope you guys are getting the point. இப்போ நல்லா, now I am going to give one beautiful rule. Now I am going to give one beautiful rule. என்ன rule sir? நல்லா பாரு. So for example, I know sin 30, sin 0, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90 எனக்கு தெரியும் sir. But sin 120 na, sin 180 na, sin 1080 na, sin 1200 na, 1200 I mean. Okay, sin 1540 na. எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? Bigger angle எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? That is what I am going to tell you. Okay, wow. Sir, first simple or logic I am going to teach you. Look at the board everyone. Okay, sir, first let me write the next page, no problem. Everyone, trigo function 90, you always convert 90 into Chintu, 90 into Chintu plus or minus theta, plus or minus theta is equal to some trigo function. Sir, purile sir, everybody look at the board. I'll teach you that, listen the class everyone. So for example, this is totally based on Chintu now. Okay, so Chintu is equal odd, Chintu is equal odd 9 nairo, Chintu is equal even 9 nairo, Chintu is equal even 9 nairo. Chintu odd na function changes, trigo function changes. Trigo function changes. எப்படி change ஆயிடும்? How it will change? Sin theta will be changing as cos theta. Cos theta will be changing as sin theta. Okay, wow. And tan theta will be changing as cot theta. Cot theta will be changing as tan theta. Secant theta will be changing as cosecant theta. Cosecant theta will be changing as secant theta. Please listen the class carefully. Super fact, very important. This is a shortcut, a beautiful fact I'm telling you. You all can see the board now. Yes. Look at the board. Function changes. Every change. Okay. Now inga pathina Chintu even ennaru, Chintu even no change in the function, no change in trigo function. Yes or no? No change in the trigo function. Ipo look at the board. For example, we'll do. I need to sin 120 degrees. Guys, you all know this, na? Sin 30, sin 0, sin 45. I'm not writing the table down. You already know that. 10th standard you already purchased. Okay, wow. Sin 120 where eppadi? Always. You need to split that into 90 table. 120, how do you write, Abhi? So, sin can write 90 into 1 plus 30 degrees. Can write like this. Sir, இப்போ Chintu place la yaar sir irukanga? Chintu place la 1 irukanga. Chintu place la 1 irukku. 1 enna odd. Chintu place la 1 irukku paru. Chintu place la 1. You can have either plus or minus. Plus theta vandiruchu. You can write minus also, no problem. I mean, you can write minus, but you need to adjust the angle accordingly. We'll do with minus. I'll tell you all. Wait. Yes. Sarvana Babu. Yes, I'll teach. This odd, sir. இப்போ இது odd. Since it is odd, trigo changes. எப்படி change ஆகும்? Sin will change as cos. Sin will be changing as cos. Cos theta. Theta plus 30 இருக்கு. So 30 as it is. இப்போ, now listen the class. இப்போ, everybody look at the board. Which quadrant is this? Which quadrant? 91 time. Look at the board. 91 time. 90 means what? 0 inga. 90 inga. So 90 after finishing 90 degrees. 90 how many times? One time. 90 degrees one time. One time. After 90 again you are going 30 degrees. So which quadrant is this? Second quadrant I'm talking about. Which quadrant? Na second quadrant பார்த்து we discuss பண்ணிக்கிட்டா. ஓகேவா? So I'm discussing on second quadrant. நான் discuss பண்றதுனா second quadrant க்கு மேல நான் discuss பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? So 91 time 90 degrees finish பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் 30 degrees பாரு 91 time 90 rotation ஆயிச்சு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் 30 degrees. அதனால second quadrantல sin positive ஆ see second quadrantல sin positive தான பாரு second quadrantல sin positive. Yes sir. So second quadrantல sin positive நீங்க positive sin போடு. So cos 30. So cos 30 na √3/2 is your answer. √3/2 is your answer. Yes or no? Super. √3/2 is your answer. This is your answer. Yes or no? Now dalla pari. I'll give one more question. Sir, why don't you do this? Why don't you do the same question with a minus? Pari. Sin 90 times of 2 minus 30 degrees. Pari. Ye na sin 90 into 2 180. 180 minus 31. Oh, 180 minus 60. Sorry, wait, not 30. 180 minus 60. அப்படி பண்ணே நான் பாரு. இதனா இப்போ சிண்டு பிளஸ் யார் இருக்காங்கடா? இது ஈவன். Okay. So sin even na sin change ஆகாது. Sin will be sin only. Sin theta as it is. Okay wow. 92 times பாரு. 92 times 1 time 90 2 times 90 பாரு நல்லாவே பாரு. 1 time 90 இது 2 times 90. After that you are after finishing 2 times 90 you are coming again back to what? Again you are coming back to what? Second quadrant only. Second quadrant means what? Second quadrant you are staying back again. 180 degrees finish பண்ணி திருப்பி you are coming minus 60 degrees which means you are coming again what direction? Clockwise direction பாரு. So second quadrant only. Second quadrant na sin positive. Sin 60 how much da? √3/2. This is the answer பாரு. You can do that way or this way. Both are correct. Yes or no? Is that clear? 100% clear sir. Now I will be discussing something important. Look at the board if you want. I will be discussing something important. Sir, any function we take, any function. Let us take this question. Let me say this question. You write like this. Tan, I will do something 1120 degrees. Sir, tan 1120 degrees எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? பாருடா சிண்டு. சேம் லாஜிக் அப்ளை பண்ணணும். சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னாரு? Chintu logic என்ன 90 times of what? 90 times of 12 plus 30 பண்ணிக்கலாமா? And 12 9 how much? 108. 12 into 9 108 which is 1080 plus 30 degrees. Sorry, இது வந்து you need to take 1080 10 எடுக்கணும். You take this as 10 then it will be easy. Okay, so 1000 into yes sir. Okay wow. So can I write like this? Can I write like this or not? Tell me. Everybody look at the board. Now idana sir even. So tan even 90 times of even means tan function change agadu. Tan will remain tan only. Tan 30. But which quadrant we have to see that? Which quadrant is that? Look at the board if you want. Which quadrant is that? Everybody look at the board. So 90 12 times da. Okay. 1 time 90, 2 times 90, 3 times 90, 4 times 90. 4 times finish பண்ணனும் and then 12 times finish பண்றதுக்கு இங்க தான் வரணும். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் 30 degrees which means first quadrant da. First quadrant tan positive. So tan 30 how much? Sin 30 by cos 30. So 1/√3. Answer என்ன 1/√3. Answer என்ன 1/√3. Answer 1/√3. Any doubts? Clear or not? Tell me. First quadrant. Very good. Super sir. Super. Okay. இப்படி தான் solve பண்ணனும்டா. இப்படி solve பண்ணா that's it. Nobody can stop from answering this. Okay வா? Chalo. We'll move forward now. Next, I will go forward with the next concept. Okay. I will go with the next concept now. I'll go with the next concept. First quadrant. Yes or no? Super. Okay. Anything you can do like this. Anything. Anything you can do like this. Okay, sir. Next concept. This is how we do. Now, negative angle formula. Super important. Negative angle formula. For example, look at the book. Negative angle is sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta always. Okay, wow. Next, pathina, cos of minus theta will be always cos theta. Okay, wow. Next, pathina, tan of minus theta will be always minus tan theta. Super, sir. Now, இப்போ நீங்க நீட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, இப்போ sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. இப்போ cosec of minus theta na minus cosec theta da. Are you all getting the point? Wonderful, sir. Now, secant of minus theta is going to be what? Secant theta da. Next, pathina, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Same from sin negative na cosec negative I know. Okay, cos negative na secant negative. Obviously, tan negative na obviously cot also negative. Yes or no? Tell me. Janda ke baba. Janda ke baba properties da idellame. Yes or no? Purida guys. Are you all understanding or not? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Cool? Yes, sir. Now, we'll move forward. Cos negative na secant, sorry, cos positive na secant to positive. Mattella mein negative da, cos secant mattukku positive, mattella mein negative da. Super, sir. Sir, ipo I'm going to discuss something new. Next concept of allied angles da. Allied angles na sir. Sir, allied angle means what? Very important. Allied angle means basically see sum or difference of two angles should be either 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 270 degrees or 360 degrees. Example pathina 50 degrees and 40 degrees are allied angles. Eppadi sir? Upari eppadi? Because 50 plus 40 panna namalukku 90 varum. So these are allied angles. You can say 80 degrees comma 10 degrees. Then 80 plus 10 panna 90 varum. Pari is equal to 90 is coming. Is equal to 90 coming. So now tell me here 170, or you can write like this 190 comma 10 degrees allied angle, because 190 minus 10 will be written as 180 degrees. So these two are allied angles. Appadi pannikala. Yes or no? Ha. Anything you can write. Now 330 or 390 30 degrees allied angles, because 390 minus 30 degrees will be 360 degrees. So these two are allied angles. Yes or no? Allied angles. Hope you are getting the point. Allied angle means what? Rendu ஆங்கிள்ஸோட சம்மு ஆர் டிஃபரன்ஸ் எடுத்தா எனக்கு 90 or 180 or 270 or 360 they are basically what are allied angles. Okay va, purida? Yes or no? Are you all getting the point? Are you all understanding or not? Wonderful sir. So question solve panna we will get an idea, but idhukku munnadi I'll teach you something. Note, everybody should write note. This is super important. Super means super concept. If first point, if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then you can write sin a is equal to cos b, cos a is equal to sin b, tan a is equal to cot b. Purida? Yes or no? So this is how it will be happening. Okay, now I'll tell you one more story. A plus b is equal to 180 degrees. Then what happens? Sin a is equal to sin b. I know sin a is equal to sin b. Cos a is equal to minus cos b. Tan a is equal to minus tan b. This is how it will be. Sir, how sir? How? How this will be? Tan a is equal to minus tan b. How this will be minus cos a is equal to minus cos b? அது வேணும்னா ஒரே ஒரு லாஜிக். என்ன லாஜிக்? இது எப்படி சார்? சார் a can be written as what are 90 minus b or not from this. I'll prove this. Taking sin on both sides. If I take sin on both sides, sin 90 minus b. So sin a is equal sin 90 minus theta nada cos theta dana. So that's why sin a is equal to cos b. Similarly, you apply cos on both sides, tan on both sides. Kandipa tan cot varum, cos sin varum, sin ku cos varum. Puridala? Yes or no? Wonderful sir. இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு a plus 90 degrees. a plus b is equal to 180 minus b. இப்போ you apply cos on both sides. apply பண்ணா cos 180 minus b sir. cos 180 minus theta என்ன sir? cos 180 minus theta second quadrant la cos negative na minus cos b varum va na va. That's why cos a is equal to minus b. That's why sin a is equal to minus sin b. Hope you people are understanding this. I'm just telling you more example. You can prove this one also. Tan a, tan b also you can prove. Okay va? Divakar adi vena Divakar, please listen this. Audio boring ah. Audio and buffering. Guys, and voice கேக்குதாடா? Voice நல்லா இருக்கா? People are saying audio. Voice நல்லாவே கேக்குது. No changes. I mean no changes in the settings and no disturbance from the system. Everything is going smooth. I feel everybody can hear my voice neatly. Polama, next concept. Sorry. Yes or no? Tell me quickly. Shall we go forward? Yes, yes, yes. You can do remaining things as well. Da. Sir, if a plus b is equal to, sir, if a plus b is equal to 279, na, same logic like sin 90 bari da. Same logic apply pannu. I just explained only one part. You can prove all the remaining things. Okay, va. Next pathina, we will do one question da. One question solve panna namalukku idea varum. Inga pari. Super on a question, very famous question. Look at the board. Very famous question. Inga nallave pari. Pi by 11, 2 pi by 11, 3 pi, 4 pi by 11, 7 pi by 11, 9 pi by 11, 11 pi by 10 pi by 11. Okay, wow. In the angles nallave pada. Angles nallave padi. Sir, ipo idak oru doubt, sir. We know that if a plus b vandu 180 degrees aichina, okay, wow. Tan a is equal to minus tan b. Just now I have taught you this. Ipo nalla pari. Let me take this guy as a. Idi a na. Let's say the b. A plus b pani pari. Pi by 11 plus 10 pi by 11. Pi by 11 plus 10 pi by 11. 11 pi by 11. 11 cancel, which is pi. If a plus b is equal to pi means what? This can be tan a can be written here. Tan a pi by 11 as it is. This is tan b. Tan b can be written as what? Minus c. Tan b can be written as minus tan a. Or you can write this. Then tan a can be written minus tan b. Now minus tan b. Minus tan b. Tan b means what? 10 pi by 11. Can I write this guy as this? Similarly, nallave pari. This one. Sum of these two angles is na? Sum of these two angles is 2 pi by 11 plus 9 pi by 11, which is pi again. So, rendu mein panna. This can be written as what? Let us take it as alpha. Okay, this can be written as what? Minus tan 9 pi by 11. నేను నల్లవే పారి అప్పుడు ఇది పారి ఇది పారి గ్రీన్ కలర్ టిక్స్ పారి ఏనా దిస్ కెన్ రిటన్ యాజ్ వాట్ minus tan 7 pi by 11. Okay, ba. Ipo now 7 tan 7 pi by 11 I am writing as it is. This guy as it is. Okay, wow. Hope you understand. This guy is as it is. In the value same da same. Okay, wow. Nalla pada minus plus minus plus minus plus. Answer na 0. Answer na 0. Answer is A for Ahmedabad. So option A is matching. Check. Option A is matching. Any doubts? Very good, very good. Yes, Akshaya, you can watch this. Pi by 11 plus 10 pi by 11, which gives me pi. Okay, wow. Similarly, 2 pi by 11 plus 9 pi by 11 is giving me pi here. So next 4 pi by 11 plus 7 pi by 11, which gives me pi. That's why it is like that. Tell me. That's why the answer is 0. Super. Guys, this concept is ரொம்ப useful da. This is super useful. Next, I want everyone have to do this question. Pari. Sir, do we know this or not? Tell me. Tan 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta. நம்மளுக்கு தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Guys, we know quadrant system. This is a homework to you all. Introduction to the homework. எப்படினா tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Okay, next secant 180 minus theta, which is minus secant theta. Okay, sine minus theta, which is minus sine theta, divided by sine 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Everybody look at the board. You need to understand this. Is 90, is 0 degrees or 360 degrees, is 180 degrees, is 270 degrees. 90 minus theta means first quadrant, so tan positive. Okay, wow. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means secant negative. Sine minus theta minus sin theta. Sine 180 plus theta third quadrant. Third quadrant means minus sin theta. Cos 360 plus theta first quadrant. So cos theta. There's 360 plus or 180 plus 1 cos will be cos, sin will be sin. Trigonometric function will not change. Only 90 ke 270 might change. Cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta means first quadrant. So cosec 90 minus theta nada secant theta. Okay, wow. Are you getting the point or not? So nalla pari. What the answer is going to be? Tell me. 0. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Secant 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Minus secant theta, minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Cos 360 plus theta, cos theta. Cosec 90 minus theta first quadrant, so secant theta. Okay, இப்போ cancel பண்ணி பாரு. இது cancel. இது cancel. என்னடா? இது cot by cos இருக்கு. Cot by cos means what da? Cot by cos. I'm getting cot theta by cos theta. So 1 by sin. Is there something wrong? You people are saying 0. Eppadi 0? Everything is cancelled. I think something is secant, cos, sin, cosec. Actually this should be cot, then only it will be working. இது வந்து cot இருக்கணும். என்ன இது நல்லாவே பாரு, இது cot இருக்கணும். இது cos கிடையாது. cos வந்தா மேட்ச் ஆகாது. cos வந்தா மேட்ச் ஆகாது. cot இதுனா cot வந்தாதான் மேட்ச் ஆகும். அந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இது cot. இது cot வந்தா இது cot ஆயிடும். இது cot ஆயிடும். இது cot. இப்போ cot by cot. Look at about it. இது cot theta cancel மேல் என்ன இங்க minus, so minus 1 should be the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. C for Chintu is the right answer. C for Chintu is the right answer. Pari. Okay, minus 1 is the right answer. Hope everybody did this. Now everybody do this. This is super question da. This is super question. Idana Janda ke Baba question. Janda ke Baba question. Look, the value of this. The value of this. Look. Cos square pi by 6, sin square cos square pi 3 pi by 6, cos square 5 pi by 6, and cos square pi by 16. I think cos square pi by 16 2 times they have given. 2 times they have given. 2 times they have given. 2 times they have given means there is something allied angle concept they use pannanda. Allied angle concept எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றது? Last one I feel 3 5 means இது 7 தான் இருக்கணும். Then only it will be correct. You take this as 7 da. இது 7 pi by 6. இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பார்த்தா இது என்ன பாரு, இது கம்பைன் பண்ணி பாரு, இது கம்பைன் பண்ணி பாரு. So here pi by 16 plus 7 pi by 16 sum is equal pi by 2, 3 pi by 16 plus 5 pi by 16 பார்த்தா sum is equal pi by 2. Sum of two angles is 90 means Suresh sir என்ன சொன்னாரா, cos becomes sin ரா. ஆன்சர் வந்து 2 ரா டைரக்ட்லி, ஆன்சர் வந்து 2 ரா டைரக்ட்லி. எப்படி சார், இங்க பாரு, இப்போ cos square is equal to what, cos square a is equal to what, sin square a. This can be written as what, sin square b, sorry, sin square b. This can be written as what, sin square 3 pi by 16, sir 5 pi by 16. This will be what, cos square 5 pi by 16. This will be what, cos square 7 pi by 16. நல்லா பாரு, இது plus இது 1 plus இது plus இது 1. Whose answer? A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Okay, wow. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Any doubts? A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Cool. எப்படி sir? We know that if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B. இதுதான் சுரேஷ் சார் சொன்ன ஃபார்முலா இந்த trigonometric allied angles concept. Yes or no? புரியுதா இல்லையா? எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த இது எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா இல்லையா? Tell me guys, can you all hear me or not? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? சூப்பர். நெக்ஸ்ட் போலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கான்செப்ட் guys, allied angle முடிஞ்சுடா. Now compound angles are super important. This is also Janda ke baba property. Super important. Compound angles super important. Okay, everybody should listen this carefully. Sir, compound angle proof eppadi sir? Proof enna, you should learn the vectors. Okay, but proof is not at all required to us. Just try to have this in mind. Eppadi proof pannudhu, I mean proof enna, what are the formulas I am going to study? Sin A plus B enna. Compound angle is what, a sum of two angles or some more than two angles oda sum. More than two angles oda sum paatha you will be getting. Okay, I mean it has a compound angle mari. Okay sir, ipo ore or vishayam sir, I should understand one point. Enadi sin A plus B, sin A minus B, same story da. Sin A plus B enna, sin A cos B neta pari plus cos A sin B. Okay, next sin of A minus B venuna ore or logic, same formula but nadula minus cos A cos B. Super sir. Sir, இப்போ எனக்கு cos of A plus B வேணும்னா எப்படி? Cos of A plus B வேணும்னா முன்னாடி cos A cos B, sin ல பிளஸ்க்கு பிளஸ் மைனஸ்க்கு மைனஸ், பட் cosல பிளஸ்க்கு மைனஸ் வரும். So sin A sin B. You need to remember all these formulas to make the questions quickly, to solve your questions quickly. So cos, or you write this as cos A cos B, inga minus inga plus, sin A sin B. Hope you people are getting the point. Okay, enna idu ulta palta reverse aichi. Okay, so let me write konjam downside. Okay, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, yes or no? Yes sir. இப்போ tan வேணும் எப்படி? Tan very important. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. இங்க plus தான் மேல plus கீழ minus. இப்போ tan of A minus B வேணும்னா same story, A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B டா. tan A tan B. இது எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? How long the class will go? Class will go as long as possible. Chintuku chintu, chintuku chintu, chintuku chichuku, chintuku chichuku, chintuku chichuku, chintu. Class will go as long as possible da. Divakar Babu, अरे JC Divakar, अरे Chintu. How long class will go means sky is the limit. Just a second, guys. I'm back. Okay, guys, these are super important formulas. Okay, next, cot A plus B, cot A minus B also very important. Cot A plus B, cot A minus B formulas also very important as far as J concerns. Look at the productivity one first. Okay, cot A plus B na cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus cot B. Can you all, sir, second formula wrong? Wrong da? Where did I make a mistake? Enna mistake da? Oh. Acha. Here I wrote cos B 2 times. Okay. Sin A cos B mana cos A sin B. Yes. Same formula but nadulo minus varum. That by mistake. Yes. Now next pathina nalla part. Next cot A minus B na. Same. Cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A da here. Okay, wow. So if you want to write this separately, write like this. Okay, cot B plus cot A, cot B minus cot A. Okay, yes. I understood. I realized it because I wrote 2 times cot. That should be obviously minus sign only. Okay, guys, you need to remember all these as the results. Now, very important formula. One more important formula. This is very useful. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Tan A, this can be tan A is 1. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Next, tan pi by 4 tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Are you getting the point? Clear? Yes or no? Is that clear? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Yes. So these are super important formulas. Very VVVVIMP. This is PVIMP. VVVVIMP formulas. Okay. Now, if you look at the board, I will teach you something important. Now, important values. Now, important values means what? For example, if I am saying sine 15 degrees, how do you find out? Cos 15, how do you find out? Tan 15, how do you find out? Sine 15 can be written as what? Sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay. Cos 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Is that clear? Are you getting the point? Is that clear or not? Yes, sir. Now tell me sine 15 how do you prove? Sine 15 how do you prove? 45 minus 30, very good. But now look at the board division, guys. Simple ra. You all have to prove this. If you want proof, you just simply do it. See, sin A minus B formula apply panna podunda. Sin A, I'll prove this one. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Yes or no? This is what sin A minus B formula. Okay, but you need to apply the values, you will get the answer. Okay, so if you apply 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, wow. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. This is what? Sine 15 degrees value. Yes or no? Sine 15 degrees. Purida. Similarly do this. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B panna namalukku root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 will come. Okay, tan 15 enna sin 15 by cos 15. Sin 15 by cos 15 panna adu varum. Okay va? Sin 15 by cos 15 panna namalukku answer will come. Any doubts here? Ellarkum purida idi? Idu ellarkum purida? Clear or not? Sir, either by the panna maybe we will get 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 2 minus root 3 then obviously. Check. Tan 15 minute enna padradhu? Sin 15 by cos. So 2 minus root 3. Sir, enakku doubt sir. As per the applied angle, sin 15 can be written as what? Cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees. Sin 15 can be written as cos 75 degrees. Cos 15 can be written as what? Sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees. Okay. Now tan 15 can be written as what? Tan 15 can be written as what? Cot 75 degrees. Okay, va? Yes or no? Sir, if you cot 15 look at the board. Sir, similarly you can do all the remaining things now. If sin 15 there, sin 15 sin 15 வந்து root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. இப்போ cosec 15 வேணும்னா இதுக்கு reciprocal பண்ணணும். இப்போ secant 15 வேணும்னா இதுக்கு reciprocal பண்ணணும். tan 15 தெரியும். cot 15 வேணும்னா இதுக்கு reciprocate பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? So similarly cot 15 வேணும்னா பாரு. cot 15. Cot 15 you can write 2 plus root 3. Cot 15 is equal to tan 75 in fact. Okay, wow. Cot 15 is equal to what? Tan 75. Any doubts? Yes or no? Cos 75 is equal to sin 15 degrees. Sin 75 is cos 15. Cool? Any doubts? This is super important. Everybody should remember this. Shall we move forward? We will go forward because trigonometry people are asking so much. and they want to learn everything from the basics. Okay, this is what enough da for this. Now tell me here, sin 15 value தெரியும் now. Sin 15 is this. Sin 15 is this. Sin 15 is this. This is equal to cos 75 also. This is sin 75 also, and this is cot 75 also. This is cot 15 also. Are you getting the point or not, Amy? Are you getting the point or not? Cool? Yes, sir. Now we'll do the questions. Guys, question solve பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி we need to understand one more note. என்ன note? Look at the board. Note. Everybody should take one note in the Megham. Megham, 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 Megham. Megham Babu. In this Megham, I'm going to write something new. What I'm going to write? Look at the board, everyone. Important. If sometimes we will write, see, alpha plus beta will be given. Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta will be given. Okay, wow. Alpha minus beta is given. Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta is given. Okay. Okay. Are you getting the point? Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta is given. Now tell me, whenever we want 2 alpha will be always written as alpha plus beta into, alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta we should write. In a 2 beta venuna, alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta. Are you getting the point? 2 alpha means alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. 2 beta means what? Alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta. இது ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணா இது வரும், ரெண்டு சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா இது வரும். சூப்பர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதுக்கு மேல நிறைய क्वेश्चंस கேட்டாங்கடா. சோ ஃபியூச்சர்லயும் நிறைய क्वेश्चन கேட்பாங்க கண்டிப்பா. ஓகேவா? Very very important. Just have this in mind. Very important result. You need to remember this as a result. VVVVIMP. 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 Okay? Yes. Now we will go with the questions. ஒரு question solve பண்ணா நமக்கு ஐடியா வரும்டா. ஒரு question solve பண்ணா நமக்கு ஐடியா வரும். But அது அந்த question solve பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி see, you all have to have an idea. You need to know one fact that, see, let us do one question. Let us do one question, you will understand. Okay, let us do one question. In a question, sir, question per cos alpha plus beta 3/5, cos alpha plus beta வந்து 3/5 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to what? 5/13. 5/13. Alpha and beta, what? Both are lying between 0 and 5/2. 0 and 5/2. Okay, wow. Both are lying between 0 and 5/2. 5/2 got 5/4. Sorry, 5/4. Then tan 2 alpha enna? Tan 2 alpha value enna? Tan 2 alpha value enna? Takatak find out pananu. Alpha beta both are lying in 0 to 5/4 da. Okay, this is basically JEE 2019 question da. Okay, wow. This is JEE 2019 question. JEE 2019 question. Okay, nalla paru guys. This is what they have done. Sir, Suresh sir enna sonnaru? 2 alpha venuna, alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta given to us. 2 alpha venuna idu plus idu panna idu varum. Paru ipo enna 2 alpha kuduthirukanga. Can I write this 2 alpha as 2 alpha? Let me write it as, look at the board everyone, guys. 2 alpha can be written as alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Okay, wow. Enakku tan venu, apply tan on both sides. Tan 2 alpha is equal to tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Okay, wow. So tan a plus b na, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, why? இப்போ tan sin alpha cos alpha plus beta தெரியும்டா. tan alpha plus beta கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாதா? எனக்கு tan alpha minus beta, see, sin alpha minus beta இருக்கு. So tan alpha minus beta கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாதா? Yes sir, பண்ணிக்கலாம். but alpha beta ரெண்டுமே பாரு 0 alpha lies between 0 to pi by 4 பாரு alpha beta ரெண்டுமே 0 க்கு pi by 4 க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கு. இப்போ பீட்டா பாரு பீட்டா also lie between 0 and pi by 4. இது ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணி பாரு 0 left hand side ஆட் பண்ணா 0 pi alpha plus beta pi by 4 how much pi by 2. So which means this is the first quadrant. Okay wow, alpha plus beta is the first quadrant. That is what I am getting to know. Okay, and now one more fact enna pari sir, alpha is given tha given. I am not writing this by my own, idu question la kuduthirukanga. Okay wow, in the data vandu question la kuduthirukanga. Okay, question la kudutha data I am writing here pari. Next given okay, alpha minus beta no, alpha minus beta, so multiply beta with minus on both sides, so enna varum minus, inequality change airunda. Okay va, inequality change airum pari purida check. So minus pi by 4, so alpha minus beta idu pi by 4. Okay va, so alpha plus beta na idenna quadrant, tell me. Idu minus pi by 4 sir. புரியுதா? a minus pi by 4 எங்க வரும் சார்? அரே pi by 4 னா you are moving in what direction? Anti clockwise direction. So pi by 4. Same 45 degrees clockwise ல move பண்ணா minus pi by 4 வருமா வராதா? சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ alpha minus beta either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. This is my required region pari. Either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? Yes or no? Either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Now I just have to talk about one thing. Okay, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now tell me here, sir, if alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta 3 by 5 sir. If pari, I'll write here. Look at the bottom one. I'll write. Is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Correct? Alpha plus beta na cos 3 by 5 இது கண்டிப்பா 4. Next நல்ல பாரி இது alpha minus beta guys, this kind of question are very famous. Alpha minus beta என்ன sin என்ன opposite, இது 13, அப்போ இது கண்டிப்பா 12 ஆயிரும் பாரு. Okay, so from this tan alpha plus beta என்ன ஆயிரும் சார்? நல்லாவே பாரு tan alpha plus beta என்ன 4 by 3 sir. Super. Tan alpha minus beta என்ன ஆயிரும் guys? Question solving, many are saying that sir எனக்கு question idea வர மாட்டேங்குது, question solve பண்ண தெரியும். Don't worry, I'm going to go many questions. I'm going to go with many questions. நிறைய questions I'm going to solve. Don't worry, latest questions, mixed questions, all type wise questions, subtopic wise questions எல்லாமே நீட்டா பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீ வந்து பேஷண்டா இருக்கணும், நீட்டா சால்வ் பண்ணி ஓகே சாப்டர் நீட்டாவே முடிச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? சோ ஆல்பா மைனஸ் பீட்டா என்ன 5 by 12. இது புரியுதா? இப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். என்ன டவுட் தெரியுமா? என்ன டவுட்? நல்லாவே பாருடா, கொஞ்சம் see, you need to listen this class carefully. Look at the board. சரி, இப்போ நீங்க நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா see, எனக்கு sin cos positive கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, so then obviously first quadrant, alpha plus beta lies in the first quadrant, no doubt in that. So sin alpha minus beta, okay va, sin alpha minus beta na positive. Sin alpha minus beta positive means sin lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Now should I accept fourth quadrant or first quadrant? Idu da accept pananu, idu reject pananu. Reject pananu na, ipo paru alpha minus beta lies in the first quadrant, fourth quadrant கிடையாது. ஏனா sin alpha minus beta வந்து plus 5 by 13 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So sin இங்க பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்காது இல்லையா? இங்க நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கணும், but they have given positive. அப்போ எந்த quadrant எடுக்கணும்? First quadrant தான் எடுக்கணும். So I am talking about first quadrant. First quadrant tan positive sir. First quadrant tan positive sir. Fourth quadrant tan negative. இங்க positive எடுக்கணும், நெகட்டிவ் எடுக்கணும்? Positive தான் எடுக்கணும். ஏன்? Because we are talking about first quadrant. Fourth quadrant எடுத்தா this would have been negative டா. அவர் என்ன கொடுத்தது? கொடுத்த alpha minus beta angle என்ன minus plus. So இது எப்பவுமே first quadrant obviously. So tan alpha plus beta என்ன plus only because first quadrant. Now everything வந்துருச்சுடா. Now that's it. Alpha plus beta என்ன 4 by 3 போடு. 4 by 3 plus alpha minus beta என்ன 5 by 12 போடு. Okay. So whole divided by 1 minus 4/3 5/12. Yes or no? Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes or no? So tell me here. 36 LCM 36. So 12 48. 12 means wait. LCM. So 16 plus 5/36 whole divided by 1 minus 36. 36 minus 20. Okay, wow. So 21/16 is the right answer. This answer. Purida, did you all get the point or not? Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Tell me. Quick. Super. Question எப்படி இருக்கு? நல்லா இருக்கா? செம்ம question இல்லையா? Question பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஈஸி தான் இருக்குதா? But this is the idea. This is the logic you need to apply here. இந்த logic தான் apply பண்ணா you will be getting an idea. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Quick சொல்லணும். Make it fast. Next. நல்லாவே பாரு. Now everybody should do this. See, இது எப்படி பண்ணணும் சார்? How do we do this? So tell me here, how do I write this? Now tell me everyone, how do I write this? Bracket irukka part, how do I write? This is sin 70, sir. Sin 70 into what is this? Cos 10 by sin 10 into cos 70 by sin 70 minus 1. Okay, sir, sin 70 degrees into, so cos 10 cos 70 minus sin 10 sin 70 divided by sin 10 sin 70. Okay, tell me, இது எப்படி இருக்குடா? Sin 70 as it is. This is 2026 question டா. இவர் என்னடா டைப்? 2026 question is okay, wow. Okay, 2026 question. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Enna cos A plus B, correct? Cos A plus B divided by sin 10 sin 70. Okay, sin 70 cancel. So cos 80 by sin 10. As per allied angles, can I write cos 80 as sin 10? Sin 10 by sin 10. This cancel. Answer is 1. C for chin 2 is the right answer. C for chin 2. Any doubts? C for chin 2 is the right answer. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me, guys. Guys, just a second. Guys, understood or not? This is the one. One is answered. Clear? Super, sir. புரியுதா இல்லையா? சிம்பிள் क्वेश्चन இன்னோ கேட்டாங்கடா. சோ உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே ஃபார்முலாஸ் மட்டும் தெரியணும்டா. ஃபார்முலாஸ் தெரிஞ்சி கொஞ்சம் மேனிபுலேட் பண்ணா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா டைரக்ட்டா cos A cos B minus sin A sin B டைரக்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சு பாரு. C for chin 2 is the right answer. That's it. இப்போ பாரு, this is one more question, beautiful question. Okay, sir, பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஏதோ பயங்கரமா இருக்கு சார், பயங்கரமான क्वेश्चन மாதிரி இருக்கு, பட் சிம்பிள் ரே. cot alpha is equal 1 sir. Cot alpha is equal 1. Secant beta is equal 5/3. Secant beta is equal 5/3. Secant beta is equal what? 5/3. Okay, wow. Where alpha lies between pi to 3/2. Beta lies between what? pi/2 to pi. Pi to 3/2 means third quadrant. Is a second quadrant. Is a third quadrant. Is third quadrant. Is a fourth quadrant. Sorry, fourth quadrant. My bad. Second quadrant. Okay, ba. Purida liya. Then the value of tan alpha plus beta, value of tan alpha plus beta and the quadrant in which alpha plus beta lies in, and the quadrant in which, in white and in which alpha plus beta lies respectively are. Super question, tell me. Everyone should try this. Cot alpha is secant beta. Tan alpha plus beta enna? I know one formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here A is alpha, B is beta. So tan alpha theriyadu. So cot alpha 1 kuduthirukanga. Tan alpha enna po? Tan alpha enna? Guys, tan alpha enna? So make it fast. Takatak solanu da. Takatak solanu. Jaasti time edukka koodadu. Obviously da tan alpha enna first inna second third quadrant illiya. So let us do this. Let us do some rough calculation here. Okay, pari. So here tan alpha, right? So cot alpha enna 1 by 1. Yes or no? So root 2 is alpha. This is secant beta. Secant beta opposite by, okay, so base by base this, okay, correct? Yes or no? Did I write correctly? 5 4. Oh, it's 4. Okay, it's 4. 4. No. Hey, what am I doing? Listen. No. It's beta. So alpha is first quadrant. Then alpha is what? Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Beta is second quadrant. Ipo nalla pari. So it is 4. Obviously, it is 5 na. It is 4 I know. It is 3 I know. Then it is matching. Ipo pari. So cot alpha is equal to 1. Tan alpha is equal to what? Obviously 1. Because this is the third quadrant. Third quadrant is tan positive. So this is matching. Look, guys, tan alpha I am taking plus 1 because third quadrant. Alpha lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant is tan positive. So 1. Okay, wow. Next tell me. Next tan beta. Tan beta beta 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 edukanu. A minus 4 by 3 edukanu na pari. A minus 4 by 3 edukanu pari. Tan beta vandu second quadrant is tan negative. So 4 by 3. So hope you are understanding the point. That's it. You need to substitute here. That's it. So now alpha plus beta lies in which quadrant? Alpha plus beta lies in which quadrant? Tell me, sir. This pi, this alpha, this 3 pi by 2. This pi by 2, this beta, this pi. Okay. This pi plus this 3 pi by 2. This alpha plus beta. Okay. 3 pi by 2 plus 180. So how much? 5 pi by 2. Okay. 5 pi by 2 which quadrant? 5 pi by 2 which quadrant? I'll tell you, wait. Obviously we'll understand now. Listen the class. It's tan alpha na 1 is minus 4 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into minus 4 by 3. Okay. Minus 1 by 3 divided by, so minus 1 by 3. Correct or not? Oh, wait. It's minus. Here minus, no? Is plus. 7 by 3. Yes or no? 3 cancel. So minus 1 by 7. I'm getting minus 1 by 7. Isn't I'm getting minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 is what? Tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta minus 1 by 7. So idu varadu. And obviously this lies in the fourth quadrant. Which quadrant is this? fourth quadrant. Check. Every fourth quadrant. Everybody look at the board. I'll explain how this fourth quadrant is. See, this 3 pi by 2 ah. This is not 2 pi ah. This is not 2 pi plus pi by 2. How much is 5 pi by 2? Here will come again. 5 pi by 2. So alpha plus beta lies in this range. Okay, wow. This range. You are moving in anti-clockwise direction. 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. 2 pi plus 90 na. 360 plus 90. How much is 450? 450 means 5 pi by 2. Which quadrant is it? Is the fourth or first quadrant? Okay, wow. Fourth or first quadrant. But alpha plus beta enna vandiruchu enakku? Alpha plus tan vandu negative vandiruchu. So this should be either fourth quadrant or first quadrant. Check. So obviously fourth minus 1 by 7 irukku and fourth quadrant. Check. Minus. If you are getting minus, the minus means what? The fourth quadrant varano. Minus the fourth quadrant. Yena is negative vandiruchu. Tan this we got. So that is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant the possible here. Yes or no? Very good, very good, very good. Super. Next. This is 2024 question. This is 2024 question. Sin x is equal to minus 3 by 5 kuduthirukanga. X lies between pi to 3 pi by 2, which means third quadrant. In a quadrant, third quadrant. So then 80 times of tan square x minus cos x is equal to dash. How do we do this? How do we do this? Tell me. 450 ah. In the 450. Yashwant Krishna, eppadi 450 da? How 450? Which is 450? How 450? They sign negative da. Sign negative in a quadrant. 2024 question actually. 2024 only. Yes. Sign negative kuduthirukanga. Yes. Very good. They simple question da. Laddu ra. Idena laddu question da. Neenga try pannanu da. Neenga pari. Laddu question. Sin x na. This 3, this 5. Okay, wow. This is 4. Correct? So tell me here. Third quadrant. So what I want here? Cos x I want. Cos x na 4 by 5. Since I am talking about third quadrant, cos negative. So tan I want. Tan also I want. So 3 by 4. Third quadrant is tan positive, so positive. That's it. Substitute here. Then 80 times of tan square x. How much? 9 by 16 minus cos x. Cos x means what? 4 by 5. Okay, wow. 80 times of 80. Okay, so 5, 45, and then 64s. Okay, 80 cancel. How much? That's it. So 109. 109 is answer. This is answer. Okay, 109. 109. Yes or no? Super, sir. Very simple. 2024 question. Okay, next question, Pari. How do you deal this? How do we deal with this question? Sir, tan 15, tan 75. Super, Pari. Everybody, tan 15 as it is, sir. Okay. And 1 by tan 75 can be written as what? Cot 75. Otherwise, I'll write, look at the board. Plus 1 by tan 75 can be written as what? Cot 15 actually. Cot 15 by ℒ concept. 1 by this can be written as what? Cot 15. Okay, what? Tan 90 plus theta minus cot 15 actually. Okay, wow. Cot is not tan 90 minus theta, also positive. Tan 90 plus theta negative, plus tan 180 plus theta, which is tan 15, is equal to 2 times of A. Yes or no? So tell me here. Now how am I going to do this? Look at the board, everyone. Tan 15 degrees as it is, sir, plus tan 15 minus tan 15 plus tan 15 degrees is equal to 2A. Par nallave pari. Idi cancel. So 2 times of tan 15. Tan 15 not 2 minus root 3. Yes or no? So A is equal to what? 2 minus root 3. Okay, wow. A is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now 1 by A and 2 plus root 3, obviously. Okay, 1 by a, 2 plus root 3. They are asking us to find out what. So from these two, a plus 1 by a, 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. This cancel. Answer is 4. 4 is the answer. Answer is 4. 4. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Any doubts? Super. Next. This is the same question. You try this again. Already we did this. We already did this. Already done this question. Okay, already done this. Again, one more question. This is a beautiful question. This is the beautiful question. This is a beautiful question. Janda ke baba question. Okay. Everybody should look at the board clearly. See, let A, B, I mean A and B denote the statement this and this. Then cos this plus nadula plus ra. Nadula plus. This plus this is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now what I am going to do, look at the board everyone. Minus 2 I am shifting this side. 2 I am shifting this side. So can I write like this now? Tell me. Everyone, in the 2 in the side shift to panna. 2 times of cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha plus cos alpha minus beta is equal to minus 3. That minus 3 I am shifting to the left side, so plus 3. Okay, wow, plus 3. Everybody look at the board. So what I am going to do, I think there should be plus or minus. Correct only. So cos A minus B formula now. We will apply the cos A minus B formula. Cos 2 as it is, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B plus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. I am writing 3 as it is. 3 as it is. Look at the board everyone. Each is what? Each one is what? 2 times. 2 times of this, 2 times of this, 2 times of this, 2 times of this, 2 times of this. So what I am going to do, listen to the class. The 3 let me write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That 3 I am writing it as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what happens? Look at the board everyone. So 2 times of everybody. This 1 let me write 1 take. I am taking 1. Okay, I am taking 1 there and 1 and I am taking this 2 cos beta cos gamma. Next one I am taking here. Okay, next now plus 2 times of sin beta sin gamma. Next one I am taking here. Next now 2 times of cos, right? 2 cos alpha cos gamma. I mean cos gamma cos alpha plus what? If you observe this property, sin gamma sin alpha. Sin gamma in So one I wrote, right? I'll do one thing now. Let us do one thing. This one can be written as what? This 1a, this 1a, 1a. This one let me write. See, and so on. 1a, this one. Next now sin alpha sin gamma. 2 times of sin alpha sin gamma. Next 2 times of cos alpha cos beta. 2 times of is equal to 0. Okay, so tell me here 1 can be written as what? Tell me this one let me write it as sin square alpha plus sin square gamma. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, sorry, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Okay, then 2 as it is, 2 cos beta cos gamma as it is, Nalla paada. This 3p1 I'm writing it as what? Let me write this now. Sin square beta plus cos square beta. Keep listening. Next, this term as it is I'm writing. Okay, 2 sin beta sin gamma plus this will be written as what? Sin square gamma plus cos square gamma. Okay, next plus 2 cos alpha cos gamma. Okay, plus this one as it is 2 sin gamma sin alpha 2 cos. Nalla observe panda, nalla observe panda. Easy question. Question is easy, but konja lengthy to write. Sin alpha konja lengthy to write every time. See, to make you understand na kandipa elladhu noda enakku vere vali illa. Okay va, ipo nalla paru. Now definitely this is looking like sin square, I mean sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma whole square plus cos alpha cos beta cos gamma whole square is equal to 0. This is how it looks like. Okay, eppadi sir? Are chintu nalla pari. A square idi, B square idi, C square idi pari. A square B square C square plus 2AB 2 sin alpha sin beta inga irukku 2 sin alpha sin beta 2 sin alpha sin beta inga irukku pari. Sir inga irukku pari 2 sin alpha sin beta 2 sin alpha sin beta 2 sin A cos B 2 sin A cos B, no, 2AB 2BC beta gamma inga irukku beta gamma pari. And then where here gamma alpha. All this you know, all this red color lines are denoting what? This. It expand panna all red color lines will come. Next pari all the blue color lines pari, blue color lines idi and where else? This one. Okay, and this one and this one and this one. Check all these blue color lines giving me this. Okay, sum of squares of this and this will be equal to 0. That is possible only if this guy should be 0. This guy should be 0 is equal to 0. Tell me, sum of squares of, I mean, two functions will be equal to 0. When that is possible? Then see, when that is possible only if this guy is equal to 0, this guy. Guys, ivaroda square sum panna nenakku 0 varano. That is possible only if ivaroda sum ena 0 varano, ivaroda sum 0 varano. 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 0. So tell me, so option A, I mean statement A is 100% correct, statement B is also true. So A false, B no, both A and B are true. So B for balle is the right answer. B for balle is the right answer. This is super ana question da, wonderful question. Everybody look at the board, everybody look at the board. Correct? Hi Chintu Jafindev, hi. இது புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Did you get the point or not? Yes sir. Yes. So that's it for today. Double angle formulas I'll try to discuss in the next class. Double angle formulas, triple angle formulas we'll discuss in the next class. So you know, this is what the today's session is all about. So I'm just taking the session kind of with a medium pace, not rushing towards finishing the chapter in faster mode, and not going with a very slow pace. I'm going with a medium pace, I think. Okay, so I think this should help even 11th student and 12th student. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for today. So we will meet in the next class. Until then, tada bye na solla maate po. One more thing I just have to tell you, enadi. Okay guys, I will be just discussing the remaining things in the next class. So I want everyone to revise these notes. I want everyone to revise the notes, and those who have not joined the Telegram channel, please do join this by scanning the QR here, right? And without subscribing, many of you people are many people are watching without subscribing. So I want everyone of you to subscribe the channel. So that is when you guys will be getting an update. Okay, so if you want to be keep updated, please subscribe pannukonga. And one more vishayam enna, in the notes na kudutha notes ellame neata revise pannada ungalku next class puriyum. Ipo next class nalla puriyanuna neenga kandipa or 15-20 minutes nalla revise pannada unakku உனக்கு நல்லாவே புரியும். இல்லைன்னா வேஸ்டா, வேஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் வேஸ்ட். நான் இவ்வளோ எஃபர்ட் போட்டு நீட்டாக நோட்ஸ் டிசைன் பண்ணி ஓகே ஒரு ப்ரிசைஸ் த நோட்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டீங்களா. ஸோ இந்த ஆப்ஷன் வந்து பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான ஆப்ஷன். நீ வந்து டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாதீங்களா, நீங்கள் வந்து நல்லாவே யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் யூ கைஸ். ஓகே 3:30லேருந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 6:10 இப்போ எனக்கு 6:30 கிளாஸ் இருக்குது திருப்பி. ஸோ இவ்வளோ எஃபர்ட் போடுறது உங்களுக்காகவே, ஸோ உங்களுக்காக தான். ஸோ நீ வந்து இந்த ஆப்ஷன் கண்டிப்பாக ஓகே இந்த சான்ஸ் இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி நீங்கள் மிஸ்யூஸ் பண்ணாதீங்கடா 100%. இப்போ நான் வாட் எவர் ஐவ் டாட் 15-20 minutes ரிவைஸ் பண்ணி ஓகே இதுக்கு மேலே whatever the questions we have, if the 11th student is, if all 11th student is there, you just need to solve. 12th students நீங்க திருப்பி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணணும். All this you might have already done it, but just need to revise it again. And whatever the question you have not done in the past, நீங்க திருப்பி பண்ணணும். 12th students. Okay, 11th students anyway they are going to do this because this chapter is going to come up in their notes, in the class 11th in fact. Okay, so anyway I will be sharing these notes. நான் வந்து ஷேர் பண்றேடா. இந்த நோட்ஸ் நான் டெலிகிராம்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுவேன். So you can go there and download it. And yeah, that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll be having one more session tomorrow. So keep learning and keep spreading the love, keep spreading the knowledge. So please make sure that மறக்காம உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட கண்டிப்பா ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கடா. This is very very important and very beautiful content, very neat and precise content I'm giving it to you. Okay, so hope you guys are enjoying this, and that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye bye, good night, have a nice day, my dear Chintos. Love you all.